In less than 5 minutes, we're going to go over the top 5 health benefits of millet. Make sure to watch until the very end to discover why millet is a popular option for newborns and their mothers, and watching until the end of this video helps support our channel. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below saying I subscribed, and we'll make sure to respond. Number 1. Consuming millet is considered to be quite healthy for your heart. This is because it can actually keep your arteries clear from blockage. It works by decreasing your triglyceride levels. Triglycerides harden the artery walls if too much of them are found in the body. It thins out your blood and can cause clotting, therefore increasing your chance of a coronary artery disorder. Lastly, due to the amazing source of fiber and magnesium, it can also help maintain cholesterol levels in the body and stop blockage in the arteries. Number 2. Millet is a food that is on the very low side of the glycemic index. The glycemic index indicates how much of a food can affect your blood sugar levels. Fortunately, millet is very low on the scale, and it is very popular with diabetics and anyone who is susceptible to becoming a pre-diabetic. It slows down digestion and allows blood sugar levels to be contained at a normal level. Millet also increases the sensitivity to insulin for anyone who already has diabetes. Number 3. Antioxidant-rich foods tend to help clean up and remove toxins in our body, which build up over time. Good thing millet is filled to the brim with them. Millet contains many antioxidants, including quercetin. Quercetin helps to get rid of any toxic agents in your body by eliminating enzymatic activity in any of the organs. Another substance found in millets is catechins. Catechins are helpful for promoting proper excretion of the body, which is the main method of the body to remove waste. Number 4. Speaking on the topic of antioxidants, did you know that antioxidants can help reduce free radicals in the body and slow down the aging process? Free radicals are built up in the body and cause damage to cells. One of the effects of free radicals is loss of complexion and wrinkle development. Therefore, consuming an antioxidant-rich food, such as millet, can actually help reduce the aging process. Number 5. Lastly, did you know that millet is wonderful for pregnant and lactating women? Millet will actually raise the production of breast milk, allowing the mother to feed their child for an extended period of time. Consumption of millet is advised during pregnancy as well, due to the high amounts of fiber, antioxidants, vitamin B, and many other trace minerals. Millet can be served as a breakfast like cereal or porridge, as well as you can purchase millet flour, and this can be used in baking scenarios as well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite part, and we'll make sure to respond. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy eating tips and much more.